Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss about ionic equilibrium or acids and base. Here some important definitions in ionic equilibrium or acids and base. First of all, acids. Let us see. First of all, acids. For any given compound or molecule, how to identify the given compound is an acid or base. Here first one, acid. Acid must be contain at least one hydrogen atom. For a given compound, acid must be contain at least one hydrogen atom. For example, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 and so on. These are sour in taste. It loses acidic nature when it's react with base. And other one, litmus test. Blue litmus to red litmus. Another one, acid reacts with base to form salt and water. In this process are called neutralization. And for example, acid reacts with base to give salt and water. In this process are called neutralization. Another one, acid reacts with metals to liberate hydrogen. And for example, acid reacts with metals for example sodium, it gives NaCl and H2. Means acid react with metals to liberate hydrogen gas. And similarly, another word, base. Here also, how to identify the given compound or molecule is a base. First of all, base must be contain at least one OH group for a given compound. In for example, NaOH, KOH, NH4OH and so on. And another one, bitter in taste. And these are, it loses basic nature when it's react with acid. And another one, in litmus test, red litmus to blue litmus. And base react with salt, acid. Base react with acid to form salt and water are called neutralization. In base, same reaction, NaOHCl are combined in NaCl and H2O. In this reaction are called neutralization reaction. These are two types of difference between acids and base. And next one, series of acids and base. Series of acids and base. These are mainly three types. They are in series of acids and base. These are mainly three types. They are Arrhenius series of acids and base. Arrhenius series of acids and base, Bronsted-Lowry acids and base, and another one, Lewis acid base series. In three types of series, Arrhenius series of acids and base, Bronsted-Lowry of acids and base, and another one, Lewis acid base series. Here first one we discuss about Arrhenius series of acids and base. in Arrhenius theory of acids and base. First of all, it is also called aqueous theory. Arrhenius theory of acids and base, it is also called aqueous theory because it explains all the concepts in terms of aqueous medium. Suppose for example, in Arrhenius acid, the substance which ionizes in aqueous solution, to produce H plus ions are called acid. That means H plus ions gives acid. And for example, HNO3, H2CO3 and so on. Another one, Arrhenius base. Arrhenius base, substance which ionizes in aqueous solution to produce OH minus ions are called Arrhenius base. That means simply gives presence in OH minus ions in NH4OH, in KOH and so on. In two types of defines, Arrhenius acid and Arrhenius base. And both are present in aqueous medium, so it is called aqueous theory or Arrhenius theory. In Arrhenius acid, the substance which ionizes in aqueous solution to produce H plus ions. Arrhenius base, the substance which ionizes in OH minus ions to give Arrhenius base. And neutralization. Neutralization, the process of associating of H plus ion from an acid and OH minus ion from a base are called neutralization. The process of associating H plus ions from an acid present in H plus ions and OH minus ions from a base to give H2O. In this process are called neutralization. These are Arrhenius theory of acids and base. In demerits, it cannot explain the acidic nature of SO2, CO2 and it cannot explain the basic nature of NH3 and H2O. These two defects are explained, and another base theory, acid base theory is Bronsted-Lowry of acid base, and another one Bronsted-Lowry of acids and base. It is also called Bronsted-Lowry of acids and base. It is also called proton theory because it explains all the concepts in proton or H plus ion. Here first one, Bronsted acid. Bronsted acid, that means the substance which donate a proton to other substance. The substance which donate a proton to other substance are called Bronsted acid. In for example, HCl, H2SO4 and so on. And another one, Bronsted base, the substance which accepts a proton from other substance. The substance which accept a proton from other substance are called Bronsted base. Simple difference here: Bronsted acid donate a proton, Bronsted base accept a proton. For example, NaOH, KOH and so on. Neutralization. That here the transfer of a proton between two substances are called neutralization. The transfer of a proton between two substances are called neutralization. And for example, NH3 plus HCl, gives NH4 plus plus Cl minus. These are example for neutralization of Bronsted-Lowry acid base theory. In three types of defined: Bronsted acid, Bronsted base, and neutralization. Bronsted acid donate a proton to other substance. Bronsted base accept a proton from other substance. Neutralization, difference between proton. The transfer of a proton between two substances are called neutralization. And another very important, conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair. Here, the pair of an acid and base which differ by a proton. The pair of an acid and base which differ by a proton gives conjugate acid base pair. And for example, here two types of defined: conjugate as and another one conjugate base. In conjugate acid means given substance plus H plus, and conjugate base given substance minus H plus. And difference between conjugate acid and conjugate base. Conjugate acid, that means given substance plus H plus. Conjugate base, given substance minus H plus. For example, in HCl gives rise Cl minus and H plus. Here HCl is an acid. Here loss of one proton, that means given substance minus H plus, then it is called conjugate base. And similarly NH3 and gives rise NH4 plus. NH3 base, given substance and adding with H plus ion, NH3 plus H plus gives NH4 plus. That means this is conjugate acid. Here HCl minus H plus gives Cl minus. Given substance plus H plus gives conjugate acid. Given substance minus H plus gives conjugate base. Identify the conjugate acid base pair for a given equilibrium system. For example, first one, HCl plus NH3 gives rise NH4 plus plus Cl minus. Generally HCl acid and NH3 base. HCl is converted into Cl minus, that means given substance minus H plus, this is conjugate base. And NH3 and NH4 plus, and this is conjugate acid. That means in pair is in conjugate acid base pair is equal to HCl and Cl minus, and another one NH3 and NH4 plus. For a given equilibrium system, what are the conjugate acid base pairs? In this equation, conjugate acid base pairs are HCl, Cl minus, NH3 and NH4 plus. And another example, NH3 plus H2O gives NH4 plus plus OH minus. In NH3 base, H2O acid, in base NH3, given substance and combined with, first of all, H2O, given substance and lose H plus ions. These are conjugate base, these are conjugate acid. Given substance and adding with H plus ion gives ammonium ion. Given substance, lose H plus ions gives conjugate base. Then pair of acids and base, conjugate acid base pairs. In conjugate acid base pairs are NH3, NH4 plus, and another one H2O and OH minus. Next, strength of acids. Acid in conjugate base in HClO4, H2SO4, HCl, HNO3, H3O plus, HF, CH3COOH, H2CO3, H2S, HCl, NH3, H2O, OH minus, and another one CH4. Here conjugate based acid. In conjugate base means given substance minus H plus, that means HClO4, then conjugate base is ClO4 minus. In H2SO4, HSO4 minus, lose one proton only. HCl, Cl minus, NO3 minus, H2O, F minus, CH3COO minus, HCO3 minus, HS minus, Cn minus, NH2 minus, and so on. Here, in strength of acid, in down the group, in top to bottom, in acids, in down the acidic strength decreases and basic strength increases. In strength of acids and conjugate base, in top to bottom, acidic strength decreases, basic strength increases. That means HClO4 is a strong acid comparing with H2SO4, HCl, and another one. In comparing with HCl, H2SO4 is also strong acid. HClO4, H2SO4, HCl, these all are strong acids. These all are compared when HClO4 is always strong acid or it acts as strong acid. Another one, Lewis acid base theory. Lewis acid base theory. It is also called electron pair theory. It is also called electron pair theory because it explains electron pair. Here Lewis acid, substance which accepts electron pair from other substance to form substance which accept electron pair from other substance are called Lewis acid. For example, AlCl3, BCl3, BF3. Lewis base, substance which can donate an electron pair to other substance to form a coordinate covalent bond. Substance which can donate an electron pair to other substance to form a coordinate covalent bond are called Lewis base. In two types of defined, Lewis acid and Lewis base. Accept electron pair act as Lewis acid. Donate electron pair to form coordinate covalent bond act as Lewis base. So for example, Lewis base NH3, H2O and HF. And another one, neutralization. and neutralization. The transfer of electron pair between two substances. The transfer of electron pair between two substances to form a coordinate covalent bond are called neutralization. In for example, NH3 and BF3. NH3 contains lone pair of electron and BF3 it contains vacant d orbital. In transfer of electron pair, it gives BF3 or NH3 and BF3. This is coordinate covalent bond. Then arrow mark indicating with coordinate covalent bond. Here electron pair donor, that means Lewis base. Here electron pair acceptor, Lewis acid. The transfer of electron pair between two substances to form coordinate covalent bond gives neutralization process. In this process, ammonia acts as a electron pair donor, it acts as Lewis base. Boron trifluoride is a vacant d orbital, it accepts electron pair, so it acts as Lewis acid. And finally, coordinate covalent bond is formed. In types of Lewis acid base, and another one, types of Lewis acid base. In first of all, types of Lewis acid. In types of Lewis acid, here all cations. All cations are Lewis acids. In cation means are present in positive charge like K plus, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3, Ag plus and so on. And another one, molecules having less than octet configuration, very important. Given 4 compounds, write the Lewis acid. Here first one to all cations and second one molecules having less than octet configuration. For example, less than octet BF3, AlCl3, BCl3. In BF3, in boron is third group, then is present in third valency electrons, therefore 3 plus 3 in 6 electrons are less than octet. In AlCl3, here also 3 plus 3, 6 electrons, therefore less than octet. And another one, molecules having sextet configuration. In sextet configuration means outermost present in 6 electrons. That means, for example, oxygen and sulfur. These are in outermost present in 6 valency electrons. So it acts as sextet configuration. And very important, molecules having vacant d orbitals. Molecules having vacant d orbitals act as Lewis acid. And for example, SiCl4, SnCl4 and so on. Another one, types of Lewis base. Here all anions. For example, O minus, OH minus and so on. All anions. Another molecules having lone pair of electrons. In lone pair of electrons, that means NH3, H2O. In NH3 contains one lone pair of electrons, in H2O contains two lone pair of electrons. At least one lone pair of electron present in a given molecule, then it acts as Lewis base. and molecules having multiple bonds. In multiple bonds like C2H4, C2H6, C2H2 and so on. Here C2H4, H2C double bond CH2, another one C2H2. More than one bond present, it acts as multiple bonds. Molecules having multiple bonds act as Lewis base. In two types of Lewis acid bases. Here first one types of Lewis acid and another one Lewis base. Simple identify. First one all cations are Lewis acid and the second one molecules having vacant d orbitals. In a case of an acid, molecules must be contain vacant d orbitals. In a case of base, molecules having at least one lone pair of electrons act as Lewis base. And another one, ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. The product of ionic product water ionized gives H plus and OH minus. These two products gives ionic products. The product of molar concentration of H plus and OH minus present in a given sample of water gives ionic product of water. That means it is denoted with Kw. Then ionic product of water Kw equal to H plus concentration and OH minus concentration. The product of molar concentration of H plus and OH minus ions gives ionic product of water. It is denoted with Kw. Then Kw equal to H plus and OH minus concentration. Its units are, what are the units of concentration? Moles per liter. Then Kw is equal to moles per liter and another concentration moles per liter and finally mole square per liter square. This is Kw. At 25 degrees centigrade, Kw value is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. Very important value for ionic product of water at 25 degrees centigrade. It is equal to 10 power minus 14 mole square per liter square. Here H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. And similarly OH minus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. H plus and OH minus ion concentrations both are 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. Kw value increases. Kw value increases with increase in temperature. And another very important, pH. pH proposed by Soren scale. pH value proposed by Soren scale. The negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration gives pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. That means pH equal to minus log H plus ion concentration or log of 1 by H plus ion concentration or another formula. Very important formula for pH equal to minus log H plus. And in case of for every 10 times dilution, The pH of an acid is increased by 1 unit for every 10 times dilution. That means in case of acid, for every 10 times dilution, the pH is increased by 1 unit. That means, suppose for example, acid and pH change. In case of acid, for every 10 times, this is dilution increases and pH increases. For every 10 times dilution, the pH value is increased by 1 unit in 10 times, that means 1, and another 10 times in 2, and another 10 times and 10,000 and 4 and so on. For every, in case of acid, for every 10 times dilution, the pH value is increased by 1 unit. And similarly, base pH change and dilution increases, pH decreases. For every, in case of base, for every 10 times dilution, pH value is decreased by 1 unit in 100, 2, and 1000, 3, and 10,000, 4, and similarly another one 5. In acids and base, difference in pH. In case of acid, pH value increases. In case of base, pH value decreases. Next, in another one, pH scale. In case of acid, for a given dilution, and another one in case of pH, for a given dilution, in pH equal to, that means this one is new pH is equal to old pH plus log of number of dilution, or another relation like, in case of base, new pH is equal to old pH minus log of number of dilution. Same acids and base, like formula, given formula. In case of acid, new pH equal to old pH plus log of number of dilution. In case of base, new pH is equal to old pH minus log of number of dilution. Another one, pH scale. In pH scale, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Strong acid, weak acid, weak base. Strong acid, weak base, and strong base. Next, here some important problems in pH. Generally, pH equal to minus log H plus, and pOH equal to minus log OH minus, pH plus pOH equal to 14. or POH equal to 14 minus pH. Some important problems in calculate the pH and POH. In first of all, calculate the in pH of 0.01 normal HCl. Here first of all, H plus concentration equal to 0.01 normal HCl, that means 0.01 H plus concentration. Then pH is equal to minus log H plus, that means minus log of 10 power minus 2, that means minus 2 log 10, that is plus 2. Then pH is equal to plus 2. First of all, identify the given problem in present in a normality or not. Compulsory any problem are present in normality and do the problem. Suppose for example, for a given value present in molarity, then first of all it is converted into normality and then proceed and calculate the pH value. How to calculate the converted into molarity into normality? Normality equal to molarity into basicity, or normality equal to molarity into acidity. Another example, calculate the pH of 0.05 molar BaOH twice. Here present in molarity, first of all converted into normality. Here OH minus concentration equal to 0.05 molar. That means normality equal to molarity into acidity. That means molarity concentration is 0.05 and acidity in barium hydroxide. Acidity means the number of replaceable OH minus ions present in a base. That means number of OH groups 2. That means 0.1. Then OH minus equal to 10 power minus 1. Then POH equal to minus log OH minus. That means minus log of 10 power minus 1. That is 1. Here calculate the pH of the solution. That means pH equal to 14 minus POH. That is 14 minus 1 equal to 30. Here given value present in a base and calculate the pH value. That means first of all calculate the POH value and substituting the POH value, then find out the pH value. Relation between pH and POH. pH plus POH equal to 14, then pH equal to 14 minus POH, or POH equal to 14 minus pH. And other cases, if H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration, then solution is a neutral solution. In case of H plus concentration is greater than OH minus concentration, and solution is basic solution. H plus concentration is less than OH minus, then solution is neutral solution. These are three types of relations. H plus concentration equal to OH minus concentration, then solution is a neutral solution. H plus concentration greater than OH minus concentration, then solution is basic solution. H plus concentration less than OH minus, then solution is acidic solution. That means greater than 10 power minus 7, less than 10 power minus 7, and equal to 10 power minus 7. You calculate the pH and pH. Some examples for pH and POH problems. And calculate the pH of 0.005 molar NaOH. And calculate pH value, and another one, and pH of 0.02 normal barium hydroxide. Another type in pH of 0.001 H2SO4. In practice problems, in calculate the pH value in 3 problems. ల్యాప్ ఆఫ్లైన్ నేను రన్నింగ్ అవుతా ఉంది. రన్ అవుతా ఉంది. ఎగ్జామ్